If you are worried and you are not able to put your Instagram link in the description of your YouTube channel, then this video is for you, so you must watch this video till the end. Open your Instagram and go to your profile. Now click on this share profile. Now here you have to copy the URL of your Instagram profile. After copying the link of Instagram profile, go to YouTube and open your channel. Now click on your video. Now here you have to click on 3 dots front of the video. Now tap on Edit. Here you have to click on Description. Now here you have to paste the link of your Instagram. After pasting the link, click on the top right Save. Now your Instagram link has been added to the description of your YouTube video. Now here, if we open this video and look at its description, here you can see that we are seeing the link of Instagram. In this way, you can add Instagram profile link in YouTube video description. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you again.